Hello. I'm going to show you how to quickly change your password for your LiftMaster garage door. It's easier than changing your password for your bank card. So, I was looking on YouTube to figure out how to do this, and the difficult part was they just said, go up to your learn button, press the learn button on your motor. So I was looking everywhere. I couldn't find this learn button. It was driving me crazy. Anyway, so what you do is you find where the wire is hanging out, and then it's obviously under this white part. So you press the two black buttons on the side of this white part, and you pull it down, and then there's a little purple learn button. Press it until you see a light come on. Oh, light came on. Now I have like 30 seconds. To punch in my new key. So you just punch in whatever key. I don't know, just for fun. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you hit enter until that blinks, which it just did, and you're done. Bree, come here. Then you just hit enter, then you hit enter, yeah, just to shut your garage door. See if it all worked. There's my house. There's my dog. So let's try and see if it worked. What did I say it was again? 1, 2, 3, 4 or something? Yeah. Need a simple one. And looky there, it worked easily. Yay. So easy.